Learning English doesn't have to be hard. You don't need to memorize thousands of words in one day. The most important thing is consistency. If you learn just 5 new words every day, in 1 year, you will know more than 1,800 words. That's powerful. Don't be afraid of making mistakes. Mistakes mean you're learning. Listen to English every day. Watch short videos. Repeat simple sentences. Speak, even if it's not perfect. English is not about being perfect. It's about being understood. If you keep going, one day you will realize you understand English without translating in your head. Keep learning. Keep listening. Keep speaking. You are closer than you think. Many people think English is a talent. That is not true. English is a skill, and skills can be learned. You learned how to use your phone. You learned how to play games. You can learn English too. Start small. 1 sentence. 1 video. 1 minute a day. Don't wait to feel ready. You become ready by practicing. Understanding comes first. Speaking comes later. If you feel slow, don't stop. Slow progress is still progress. Every day you continue. Your brain is learning. One day, English will feel normal to you. Not scary. Not hard. Just normal. And that day will come. If you don't give up,